Recording in progress.
Okay, so here we are going to learn how to subscribe and basically to bind under your sponsor, right? So let me start sharing my screen. Okay, so in this case, you have your wallet. I have wallets one. You first take the ID of your sponsor. Then you would go to where it says go to invite on the home page. Once you click on go to invite, then you would be able to subscribe under your sponsor, okay? So right here, I would paste the link, then I will click bind, right? Then it will say bind successful. That is how you will subscribe to your sponsor. Also, if you want to purchase or subscribe to the nodes, right? When you go into profit, you would, for example, see how much you have in your node voucher balance, right? Assets. Then you would, in order to do this, you would come to home screen, scroll through the banner, and then click on Fintoch node application. Then after you click on Fintoch node application, in this example, I'll be subscribing for $100. Just so you can know, you would choose a node that is almost full. You hit subscription, you click next. Then if you have the voucher, you would just click use node subscription voucher, right? So in this case, minimum is 100. So we type 100. You would need to have a little bit of BNB for gas fee. Why? Because we are still subscribing, but the blockchain goes live June. So all subscriptions done after June, I believe, would then have to relate using FTC. So for now, just have a little bit of BNB. I click subscription. As you can see, payment details, right? It actually doesn't even say it needs gas fee. Then I hit next, and then you're going to enter password. And then after entering password, you would be able to subscribe. So here, real quick, I type password, right? So let me stop sharing screen. Okay, I believe nothing is showing on the Zoom. Okay, that is good. Then now I hit share. It says transaction broadcast failed. I will try again, right? In this example, using 100 of the node voucher, hit next. Okay, let me find out why. Maybe gas fee. There is gas fee. So, but that is how you would subscribe to a node, right? You would come to, you would basically select from the banner the node that you want to subscribe to. Maybe that one was full for all you know. Let me choose a different one. Then that was successful. So that is how you would do it to subscribe to a node using the voucher. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you. Remember, you bind and then you subscribe, right? So that is what you do. And you can see all the activities on the blockchain, ongoing transactions live as well. So thank you all for tuning in. There will be a link in the description that will show you how to subscribe if you're looking to subscribe to the nodes, right? So thank you all. Just like, subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram for questions and answers to any concerns that you have. I believe this is going to be one of the biggest projects in the crypto space. All we have to do is keep getting the right information and taking action. So from Blockchain Kojo and Cash Rich Society, I want to say thank you.